I have public healthcare. I do. In Australia, we have public healthcare. So like my cancer surgery and treatment is very, very affordable. Are you okay now? Yeah, I'm fine. This year will be 7 years cancer free. Speaking of which, I will need to get my what's it called? I'll need to get my MRIs and stuff done this year, so that kind of sucks. Not too much pain? No, getting MRIs are fine. Like with MRIs, you just lie down. It's like 25 minutes of just like mildly being inconvenient in a very loud tube in which I just kind of think about anything but, and then like Katy Perry's Fireworks plays through these really bad headphones that they put on you to help distract you from the noise of and then in like the faintest sort of baby you're a firework. Meanwhile, it's like that's exactly what it's like. Yeah, I was gonna joke about like asking if they have like recordings of it, which I think there is a YouTube recording of it, and then I'll just do like an ASMR video of POV. You get an MRI with Clio IT, and then I'll just have my headset, my mic, because I have one, and then just go around it and going and then sometimes the pattern changes. It goes because it starts off slow. It goes and then just different patterns. It's like a printer. You know how like printers go it's kind of like that, but instead of paper, it's a person inside of a tube. It's like one of those older printers. Yeah, it's kind of like that.